Hello, friends. Today we are bringing you the idea of using your smaller space in such a beautiful and mesmerizing way that it becomes magical and dreamy. We tried to collect the fairy tale ideas for your fall backyard decor, and they all are applicable in different ways and with very few changes. You can make your home beautiful with these ideas, and we tried to bring the ideas which can be made or which can be decorated with the home available items, decor items, and you can add fairy lights. An armpit or a tub or a fire pit can be used to make fire in winters, and it will create such a dreamy and magical backyard that you will love the season of fall, and it will be romantic and peaceful, and you will enjoy sitting for a longer time in your garden. These all our ideas are mesmerizing. They can be made with available furniture, and making some DIYs too can be a plausible option. A few candles, bean bags can too be used for decorating your backyard garden, and the colors choice is definitely going to give a magical and dreamy look to your fall garden with very few articles of furniture with some fairy lights and a fire top and some logs. You can make your fairy tale magical fall garden. The peace and serenity these gardens has mesmerized